Hello everyone, it's Anna with Pink Monarch Prints and I'm super excited to introduce you to Pink French Toile for our May 2026 subscription kit. If you loved the Blue French Toile kit, then just transfer that over to Pink and this is what you're going to get, Pink French Toile. So before we get started, I wanted to give you a quick rundown on how I print my kit when I don't know for sure what I'm going to be making with it. Just kind of a general print guide for what I like to do. Maybe it'll give you some ideas. I like to take all of the papers and I print those on a regular copy paper. And then I like to pick a coordinating paper that I really like and go ahead and print that on the other side of those papers. So I end up with 15 to 20 double side printed papers. These just come in a lot of handy for any time you're going to be folding something. They're really just good to have if you need to fold them in half and use them as journal pages. They are just awesome. Then I usually do the same thing again with maybe 5 or 6 cardstocks, and I'll print 5 papers on one side and a coordinating paper on the back of each of those 5 options. This is super helpful for if you need something thicker like a tag or need to back a piece. And then you already have them coordinating and ready to use. Now, everything else in the kit I print on a lightweight cardstock except for the double pages. I just print those on regular weight paper because those are likely going to be journal pages and it's just easier for me to use those as a lightweight, regular weight copy paper. And then I double print with just a neutral on the back of most of the pages. I don't do that with fussy cuts. And I don't do that with like words. Things that I'm never going to see the back of, I don't bother printing on the back side. If there's a chance I will, I'm going to print that neutral on the back. So that'll give you an idea of how I print my kit. Now, without further ado, let's dive into this kit. Let's go ahead and start out by just looking at the papers in this kit. Tons of pinks in every shade, creams, and hints of green. Hopefully you love it. We also did something a little different with this kit. We added in 6 coordinating solid papers that have a little bit of a texture to them, so they're really fun to work with. But they're going to be really helpful in working with this kit because you'll have great layering options with them. We also have 5 really pretty and neutrally double pages that you can use for journals or whatever you would like. Heads up, they're a little different in size than we normally do, so just be aware of that and enjoy. Next up, we have several different pages of ephemera. These are really great for stuffing into pockets and envelopes and all of that fun stuff. We also have several options for tags. We have large tags, small tags, neutral tags, colorful tags, fun-shaped tags, tags with toppers, and plain tags. So we have hopefully every kind of tag you could ever want. There's some really fun ones. Here's some close-ups. They're just beautiful. We also have some smaller pieces of ephemera for layering little tidbits. These are great for clusters and collaging. And we have these really beautiful neutral tags too. Now these are a lot of fun. These are faux collages. They're great for pockets or anything else you can think of. And of course we needed another page of mini ephemera for layering. There are also several options for envelopes in this kit. We have some coin envelopes, some envelopes that are a little taller and larger, and we also have some flip-top envelopes with all the goodies to embellish. There are some word labels, and I added the plain version as well, just in case you wanted the plain version for more layering. So you have some options with the plain version or with the words. And we also have lots of just fun pieces. We have our circles. We have a couple of options of journaling cards. I really like the heart one. That was a new one we added in. So hopefully you like that as well. And we have a few mini projects. We have our layering frames, which are so fun with lots of little extra bits in there. So you can just layer those onto the frames and they make really cute ephemera for your pages. We also have a file folder project. It's just a mini file folder with all the goodies to add into it and to decorate it with. So that'll be a really fun one. And don't worry, we will make little videos just showing how we like to do it, but they're pretty easy and you can do it however you want. These are new tags, and you can see there's 4 tags and 4 little kind of belly bands that you can use, and then little tags to stuff into those belly bands. And you can see the fun little fussy cuts and little bits to decorate it with. So I'm really excited for that video. And of course we did our pull-out circle tags. We haven't done these for a while. This is a really fun one. These are some that I really love. There is a big circle with a little pocket, and then we have the tags and a back for the tags and little bits to layer on there as well. So we also have a couple of pockets. This is a new one that we've done. Very simple. You could use these as journaling cards, but I designed them to be as pockets. You can do whatever you want with them. I think they're going to be really fun to embellish or stamp on or sew around. And we also have our fancy pockets because it just felt like with this fancy of a kit, we really just needed some fancy pockets to really jump out and embellish. So those are the 2 pocket options this time around. We have our slides. These can be used as pockets as well. And we have our fussy cut options. We have our regular large page and then a super large page. And then I made a small page. So I just shrunk down the fussy cuts to smaller images just in case you don't have the ability maybe on your computer to be able to shrink those down. So I did just take the same images but shrink them down for you so that that option is available right there for you in the kit. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna go ahead and have the links below the video. And anyway, we're just excited to introduce this kit to you. We hope you love it as much as we do. And we hope you'll hop on and craft with us as we do our videos throughout this month. So we will hopefully see you soon. Bye.